My name's Alex. I'm from Germany, from the Stuttgart area. I'm working at a company called D&B. We're producing big loudspeaker systems, so professional PA audio system like on cruise ships or big stadiums and so on. Squish, for me at least, it's quite easy to use. You can use behavior-driven testing or the MBT, the model-based one. With the recording, it really helps you writing the script. You don't have to go in too much detail writing technical Python code. Really, Squish helps you writing those tests and organizing them, and it's a nice way of helping you and making UI testing easy, really. For us, really, well, the game changer, the key thing is the seamless integration. So we have software developed with Qt, and the UI testing tool can dig into the Qt object system, and also the static code analysis tool now can deal with Qt and the dependency to Qt and all the specific things which are not standard C++. And it really helps because you could use different tools. Of course, there are plenty, but this part, being Qt, you have to handle or implement yourself, which is a lot of implementation and unnecessary, because it's working seamlessly. The software really grows, and we have a lot of features, a lot of things in the UI. And when you focus on new features and epics, you tend to only focus on this, and your mind is all about that. And Squish really helps making sure that the software still works in each part. So when you have a new feature, a new epic integrated, you need still to make sure that each of the older parts still work and it integrates seamlessly. And Squish really helps with that.